Okay, I'm gonna teach you guys how to keep sneezing because I love sneezing. It feels good. So you know how you get one sneeze and you just want to keep sneezing, but you can't. So I'm gonna teach you how to make yourself sneeze. Okay, so you get your finger, like go like this, you know, and put it in your nose. And you know how you feel that wall with the inside of your index finger, pointer finger, my bad. You feel that wall? Good. You need that. You need that wall. You take your hand out, just any hand, you know, because any nostril is fine. Um, so I'm gonna do it with my left nostril. You use your nail of your pointer finger. So I have some nail. I should cut that, but and take your nail and you just push it back into that wall. Not too hard. You don't want to hurt yourself. But push it, and then you're gonna want to start sneezing. See, I'm done. But watch, ready? I'm gonna do it again. It gets a little harder after. It takes a little longer, more pressure, and you can move around the wall too. Because it just takes more after each sneeze, I guess. I guess you switch to another nostril. Fuck it. Oh, see, I got some toilet paper too. You know, gonna need that. Thing is, we could probably keep going, but if you can see my book right now, just covered, it's disgusting, but it's worth it. I love sneezing. So I hope you guys learned how to keep sneezing. You can piss people off, and you can just sit in your room and feel good. So remember, feel that wall on the back of your nose, and just get your tip of your finger, the nail, kind of pushed back on the wall. Just push in the back. Works every time. Bye. Signing off. See ya. Love you guys.